Sheriff's Office, Steven Smith. It's Damien.
What'd I do now? I ain't got no warrant.
Yeah, you got it, bro.
I do not have a warrant.
Bro, I'm not. I wouldn't come here for.
What do I got a warrant for?
Bro, it's bullshit. Misdemeanor possession of paraphernalia.
What?
Yeah, man.
What I went to jail for? I went to jail for that already.
I don't know. Was there a court date that you were supposed to?
No, they arrested me and I got out. I haven't had a court date or nothing. Nah, dude.
Bro,
what the fuck, man?
Bro,
For real, dude.
Listen.
I got my stimulus. I can't even cash it yet, bro. At least let me cash my stimulus so my wife can get me out.
Bro, listen. Listen.
Dude, I knew I should have answered the fucking door, man. Will you at least look it up and tell me how I got it, when I got it?
Bro, it's posted. It just posted up. It just posted.
Like just today?
Not today. I believe it's like 2 or 3 days.
Aw, man.
2 or 3 days.
They didn't even.
Bro.
Dude, it's bullshit. I don't have a court date, man.
Listen, Steve. I'm. Other than that, I already.
Dude, y'all are doing this shit to me on purpose, man. Like.
Bro, I'm not the one that signs warrants. All right. Listen,
yeah,
you always trip.
Yeah, but you see this shit come up, you're like, dude, dog, crumbly.
No, this is not what I do. No, bro. Did I ever treat you bad, bro? Last time when I picked you up, didn't you say that we were
no, but I'm already
so this is
what.
Listen,
man.
I can fucking walk away, but some motherfuckers will come here and hop the fence. You're gonna see they hop the fence, fucking kick in the door and go get you. This is not what I'm doing here.
Can you at least give me one more day? I cash my stimulus?
I can do. No, this is not.
I was getting ready to leave to go cash it. See, I got my socks on, man.
Bro, your wife can do that.
She can't cash my stimulus.
Listen, this is what I
can. It's a paper check, bro.
Okay, well, I'm pretty sure your bondsman can take care of that, and they'll you pay him back. What I can do is I'll let you, like last time, I'll let you make all the phone calls.
Okay, so
I'll give you a call. So here's the thing. Yeah, this is why I didn't come here fucking at 11 o'clock. I came here at 5 because it's misdemeanor. I'll call. Maybe it's a fucking ROR. Maybe they'll give you. I can't call and confirm until I'm with the person. You know what I mean? I'll call. Maybe it's a fucking ROR. That way I came here at 5, not at 11, so you can be back home. Okay. All right, that's cool.
You at least give me time to put clothes on, make phone calls.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay. So
I
here's
was eating my.
Okay. Is your wife home?
Yes, my wife.
Can she bring you? Listen.
I was just eating.
Nothing personal.
Finishing my food.
I'll let you finish.
I'm not going nowhere, bro. I'm just going in, change my britches.
Listen. This is just a policy.
Man.
This is a policy. I don't wanna keep calling you and.
Melinda, get your fuck ass out here, man. I gotta change my clothes outside. I can't go back in the house. Fucking.
This is nothing personal, Steve.
I know,
man, just a little heated.
You can at least let me get dressed.
Yes. I'll let you get dressed.
Get dressed outside.
She can give you a fucking
I'm not going nowhere. When I go in the house, I change my pants.
What is that now?
He has
I got another fucking warrant.
He just got out of jail.
I don't even have a court date. I don't know, man.
I know.
Are you fucking kidding me, dude?
I'll call in. It's a FTA. It's a FTA for possession of paraphernalia. It's not a. It's a.
What I got arrested for?
What you got arrested for already? Went to jail for?
Yeah,
that's the paraphernalia.
But even if he got arrested, there's a court date which he probably missed.
I don't see how I missed my
court date.
Oh
my fucking god, dude! Are you serious?
All right, let's stop making this any worse.
Give me a shirt.
Yeah, give him some food. I'll let him eat.
Give me a cigarette, please, or a cigarette butt or something.
See, relax, man. Listen, I wouldn't come here just to fuck with you for no reason.
I know, man.
You gotta understand.
It's not you,
I know,
bro.
no,
It's just
I know,
old,
I know,
man,
I know, bro. I know, and to be honest with you, every time I'm being told that there's a warrant review, I'm like, fuck, okay, whatever. I mean, and I'm not coming here targeting you.
It's like the county building ain't got their shit in gear because it's not going to the right. I've been at this address for a year. I've gotten all my court dates until now. Until these last two.
I know, bro. I know.
Trust me, Steven.
Bro,
it's
fun. Listen.
We are with you. Trust me.
I'll call for now, right? I'll call and confirm and see what's up. Hopefully it's an ROR, but if not, I'll tell you what the bond is.
Hey, hand me my phone, please. It's close.
Hello, this is Damien, Star 17.
Hi, what can I do?
I'm here with a subject flagging 49. Would you confirm by 27, please?
Sure, can I have a first, last name, date of birth?
The DL. I got DL.
Oh, the DL. Okay, I know that.
Charlie 651. Yep.
So I found his warrant,
Mm-hmm.
and it is a possession, failure to appear for possession of paraphernalia.
That's a misdemeanor, right?
Yes, sir.
And what's the bond on it?
The bond is 1,013.
Okay, and what's the what's your operating number?
6550.
50.
Can I get a case number from you?
Absolutely. It's gonna be 932.
Right in the
Charlie 12 status, Jacob unit.
Devo. Okay, thank you very much. Alright.
Sure.
Alright, you too, bye. Hey, this is Damien, Star 17. Are you guys doing a shift change? District 1? Okay, perfect. I got 1:10:15. I'll be right there. Okay, I'll see you. Thank you.
Fucking for real.
When you do gotta start, because I can't ride a bike. I guess I'm walking.
Guess you're walking.
I guess so.
I see. Yeah. So it's weird. So I picked you up on the 28th, right, for that warrant, and this one was issued on the 21st, but apparently it wasn't
Went to the
entered.
same address that the last one went to.
Probably. Probably. So this is a misdemeanor, just a one count of possession of paraphernalia. It has $1,013 bond,
I
so
don't
$100
understand how
bucks.
did they get a possession of paraphernalia, because when you got arrested that day, that charge did not go on that same day. They had
No,
to charge you a different day for that.
so remember,
They
it
charged you for
was
a different
no,
day.
it was a different warrant. Remember, you got arrested on a different warrant, and you had, I think, a bubble on you.
Yeah.
The bubble. So that's
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's what
that's the day, but that's the charge I'm talking about. I checked it when he was in jail that time, and that never came up.
I'm to be honest with you, I have no idea. I've never had it
Because
where
when
I've
they
come
sent
out and
you
picked
the
somebody
thing-
up like 10 times
When you
on
got out of
multiple
jail, that charge
FTAs.
wasn't
Yeah.
even on your paperwork.
Have you
Yeah,
gone
it
to the
doesn't.
courthouse or talked to somebody in the courthouse to figure out what's going on? Because that's where you need to go. That's ultimately is the problem. Somebody from the courthouse is sending your mail to the wrong place.
So I can
So somebody
guarantee you
in the
that every
courthouse
time I arrest you, I put this address. So
This is
there
your
should
address
be.
with us.
So
So
somebody in the courthouse
after
does not
after
like
my
this.
arrest, you should have no
some way
issues.
they're getting paperwork somewhere else. Because anyway, with us, he shows here,
I'm
and he
sorry,
said he
this
just
is-
changed his
On his
ID.
ID,
So
it's his address.
So
It's on his ID.
when did you change that?
Grab me
And
one more
when we
cigarette
moved here is when he got that ID. What?
Grab me one more cigarette clip.
When we moved here, when we moved in here, and he got arrested that time when we were moving in that day, is when he got the right after that, or was it before that?
I don't know. It was right when I moved in, actually.
Did you call your bondsman? Or you want to call him? He's gonna take care of it.
Yeah, I guess he's got to run through McFadden. I didn't get to talk to McFadden directly. But
No, cool.
what up? I'm going to jail. I need you to call the bond.
Hey, if you want the rest of your sandwich.
It's $113. Huh? Not even in jail and I'm eating noodle sandwiches. I guess I was preparing something. Must have told me.
Well, but you were the only guy I actually like arresting.
In a good way, not like you know.
You're the
Yeah,
only
I
guy
got
I actually
$600
like though.
check. I need somebody to smoke me $150 so I get out.
You want a jacket or anything? Just for when you get in there? It's gonna be
I don't
cold.
think I have one. Babe, you give me a sweater or a jacket?
Get ready, your dog. Before you know it.
Yeah, you can feel it getting colder now, right?
See that car was talking about when you were pulling down?
So,
Heard that drink, that woman?
again, before, I haven't had issues with it for a long time. Now I came back after New Year's again. All
I shut it down. You can hear me better when I
Yeah,
shut
we ain't got no cigarettes. What's up?
I couldn't hear you from the get-go. I mean, you asked me, hey, Damien,
All
and
right,
then after
let's
that,
get
that's it. It was all fucked up. And, that charger you were talking about? What was that?
$90, you know, she paid that last time. She said the door open.
Oh, okay.
Get on that bucket phone.
That's you. You want this?
There you go.
Get them from you. I have all the numbers you got.
Tell everybody I got $600 check.
What's the bond?
Huh?
What's the bond?
2013. $113.
Hey, good thing at least the check's going the right direction, right?
Yeah.
Right, Anders. That would be a shame if that
That's
check.
because I put that in there.
You don't have any bubbles on you on like that,
Yeah,
right?
no.
Just making sure, bro. Listen.
He was just getting up to get his ID to go cash checks so he can get some food.
Still, whatever you do on Monday, you need to get some.
Yeah, bro.
No, Precious.
You need to figure out where the lag is that's sending your shit somewhere else.
Yeah.
Because everything now is Zoom, so you can do everything. You just gotta figure out why.
And obviously you have a
Just
smartphone,
desperate.
right, with the internet, so you could have technically taken care of it.
Oh, I didn't know this was.
So that's what I'm saying. That's what they need.
I did. I mean, I got a paper in the mail saying that they corrected.
Yeah, they corrected the for last time. You
I don't
got
know,
to
brother.
assume.
The
And he was actually early. He thought he had court.
the paper that I got
the other
from
day.
the judge said it was corrected, like, some shit like that.
You don't have anything on you
Yeah,
except
my
the phone?
cell Yep.
Let
You
me
just watch me put these bridges on. Don't you?
Yeah, we do.
No, yeah, I just came. They did.
You got 2 bucks. What cover the hand on it?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm about to say I don't need You got 2 cents or you need another set?
Nah, listen. I'll put them up front. We don't really take that.
Transport, you take me all the way to the
I'll
house.
take you to the transport.
Way too much. Way too much.
I know.
How
How you doing, Green? I ain't seen you out here in a while.
It's been a
while, bro.
You know, I see you so often.
Trying to give you a break and not come out here, bro.
Right?
You're like, damn, I just picked it up.
Yeah, that's why
I thought I had everything in order already.
You think they would have ran that so tested all before he got out of jail.
This one out, so I'm guessing that one didn't get issued until
So
after.
this time, before that,
I don't know. We were here. We are over here. We didn't ask you. That wasn't us.
Good.
Love you.
You said,
Love you.
you know where they're supposed to be on right work?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's 10-4. We had a call come in at 11422.
Oh, 2-2.
Per lane.
2-2.
11422.
He's right here. Oh, right here. You good, sir?
Yes, right here.
What'd they do?
Always a good day. All right, guys, good.
So you need to get there and figure out why your shit ain't going through.
yeah, 'cause that's crazy. It's crazy. We gotta keep doing this.
Yeah,
Especially
listen.
since it's FTAs and it's misdemeanor stuff that keeps going through. So it's a misdemeanor court.
They're chilling. The guys. All right. We're gonna get going.